Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you to my channel Simplifying Business Studies. Myself Kashish Salvani, your business studies teacher. I'm here with this revision video of chapter number 11 of your book, that is Marketing Management. Before I go forward, I would like to request you to leave your suggestions and your feedback about my content, and if you actually like it, do not forget to like it at the end. So let's go ahead with the content of this session. Let's see question number 1, which is on your screen. So let me read the question for you. Suyash is very thirsty. He is in the middle of a desert. Soon he finds a cold drinks shop. He goes and purchases 3 bottles and drink them to satisfy his thirst. After drinking the cold drink, he realizes that it has been developed after analyzing the needs and preferences of the potential customers. On observing the outer side of the bottle, he finds details like content, flavor, size, price, etc. What is cold drink and thirst here in relation to each other? So here what we can say is cold drink is a want and thirst is a need. Identify one feature of marketing which has been highlighted here. So if we can see this question, one feature which is highlighted here is creating a market offering. So this is all about a market offering where a product is being developed after a lot of analysis, and that product is a product which satisfy certain needs of customers. And once someone purchases that product, they can get all the details about the product, like what are the contents, what flavors it is available in, what is the size, what is the price, etc. So it's a market offering. Okay, how is cold drink a good market offer here? It is a good market offer as, again, same thing, as it is developed after analyzing needs and preferences of customers. We can say customers. Okay, so this is the answer. Let me go ahead with another question. This is the answer, you can see. Now let's see question number 2. Identify a true exchange mechanism in the following cases. Rajiv was a hardworking stationery shopkeeper. One day he was standing in front of a mirror. He took money from one of his pockets and took out a pen from the other. He allocated rupees 100 for the pen and decided to keep the pen for his personal use. In the coming days, he utilized the pen properly and was satisfied with it. So do you think it is true exchange mechanism? No, as no two parties are involved. Okay. Kiran was a bookseller. One day she was selling books. She approached a person who was sitting on the pavement. She offered her a book and found that he was not having enough money to pay. So she willingly gave her the book without taking any money. So do you think this is true exchange mechanism? Absolutely no. Why? What is the reason? Because in exchange mechanism, both the parties should be capable of giving something in return to each other. So this is not the case here. Let me show you the answer. This is the answer. Now here in this question, we will have to identify different marketing philosophies one after another. Okay, let's see. Geetika Scooters are leading manufacturers of scooters in the industry. They have first mover advantage in the industry. When they started manufacturing scooters, no other company was doing so. They manufacture and scooters, and the middle class purchases them in high number. With each passing year, the number of the scooters sold is increasing. The company's main concern usually is to produce maximum number of scooters. Company's profit is governed by maximum number of scooters they produce. What do you think? Which marketing concept is used here? They are actually producing more the better kind of number of scooters, and they are increasing their profits by increasing their production. So this is production concept. Aman Microwaves produces microwaves, but they do not try to understand the needs of the customers. Their main focus is always on the quality of the product, but never on the customer's requirement. They try to include as many features as possible in their product. This year they have added a special type of alarm in their product, which is a unique feature. The alarm is available in 10 varieties. However, the customers say that the product is not of much use to them as it consumes lot of electricity. So again, what is being taken care by this particular manufacturer? The quality of the product, the features of the product. So which concept do you think is involved? This is product concept. Let's go ahead with another question. Ravi Coolers is a progressive company. The owners of the company feel that unless and until they contribute to society, it is worthless to exist as a company. In a recent move by the government, the organization has decided to help it. The organization will be making 5 teams of hired environmentalists from foreign countries. This team will help the local people clean the portions of the polluted river in the country. The cost of this project will be borne by the company. So what do you think? What is this company doing? It is taking care of all their social responsibilities along with its own marketing goals. So what we can say is this is societal marketing concept. Rajesh is the manager in a company. His main area of focus is to generate revenue for the company through repeated sales. Okay, let us underline this. He decides to develop a product. Now this is again another thing. He decides to develop a product for the company which can generate revenues in long run. For this, he meets a team of R&D, research and development of the company. After a long meeting, they decide to do a survey. Based on the survey, the product is made to fulfill needs of the customer. The product later produces lot of revenue through repeated sales in a long run. So two things are here which can gives us two different answers. Repeated sales. So yes, often you can get confused with more sales and then moving your answer to selling concept. But here the right answer is marketing concept, because product is developed. How they have achieved more sales? Through developing a product which requires research and development, which required surveys, and then based on the survey they made a product which satisfies the customer, and then in return they got repeated sales. So ultimately the concept used by them is marketing concept. Question number 5. A company decides to do a promotion for its new chips. For this, many contests are organized in different colleges. The youth is the target market for the chips maker. However, there hasn't been proper research about liking the flavor among the youth. The company has launched its product based on the intuition. The company has decided to Go ahead with the promotional campaign even if there is negative response from buyers. So clearly they are trying to increase sales of the product through any means. So this is selling concept. Let me scroll. Question number 6. Question number 6 we will see. Akriti Foods is making a great impact in the food industry. The top management of the company has been in news for helping the villagers in the rural areas uh, grow their income. They have made alliance with groups of people of different villages. They produce handmade products from them and help these help these products find a way to the elite class of metro cities. The company has its motto of replacement of Western taste with that of Indian among the elite class. The company is very intelligent to see high paying elite class as the target segment. So, what do you think is the answer? Your answer is marketing concept. Do not get confused with social marketing concept, because the main goal of this kind of organization is making profit. That is why they are targeting the elite class. Okay, now let's see question number 7. A company is manufacturing a new type of helicopter for rich people. The helicopter manufactured are patented products of the company. No other company has made this type of helicopter yet. The company says since the helicopter is unique, the booking of the product is done in advance by the buyer. The product has been demanded in excess. The company is in no need to market its product. It has to see that it can make helicopter available to people who can buy it. Okay, so which is this concept here? It is production concept. Why it is so? Since the product is being sold on availability and of course affordability, so it is sold as per the availability and affordability. Okay, let's see question number 8. An air conditioner manufacturing company is busy these days in adding features to its product. This is being done to increase its customer base. Adding features to its product, and it is done to increase its customer base. The company has not done any proper research to see which type of features are liked and which are in excess. This is only making the product loaded with new feature. The needs of the customers are not considered. So here it is not marketing concept. When asked why they are not doing proper research to know the expectation of the customer, they replied that they have full faith on the performance of their air conditioner. Though they are working on the quality, but they are not concerned about what consumer wants. So this is product concept. Let's see, there are 2 more questions under this head. Question number 9. A company which deals in apparels has decided to clear its stock. The company has a huge pile of clothes to be cleared across various branches. The company has decided to give discount on its product even if it has decided to go for various fashion shows in different colleges. It has also decided to sponsor few events. However, people say that the clothes are not much of current fashion, and the company is not considering the choice of the customer. So they are only concerned about selling the product. So this is selling concept. An automobile company is a leading manufacturing company in its segment. The company has decided to launch fully solar charged vehicles. This technology will cost the company rupees 2000 crores annually, which when the relationship manager of the company was asked about the reason of bearing so much extra cost, he replied that the company considered environmental friendly techniques as the only solution to the increasing pollution. The company feels by bearing extra cost, it is fulfilling its responsibility. So this is clearly societal marketing concept. Okay, let me scroll down and show you all the answers. So these are all the answers. Let's see question number 5. Beauty products. I hope you can see. Let me scroll a little. Okay. Question number 5. Beauty Products Limited is a natural and ethical beauty brand famous for offering organic beauty products for men and women. The company uses plant-based material for its product and is #1 beauty brand in the country. It not only satisfies the customer but also believes in overall protection of the planet. Identify the marketing management philosophy. So this is clearly societal marketing philosophy or concept. Let's see this question also. Okay. Ginika, Tanish, Rohit were friends from college days and now they are doing different kinds of business. They regularly meet and discuss their business ideas and exchange notes on customer satisfaction, marketing efforts, product designing, selling techniques, and social concerns. In one of the meeting, Ginika drew attention of Tanish and Rohit towards exploitation of consumers. She told that most of the sellers were exploiting the consumers in various ways and were not paying attention towards the social, ethical, and ecological aspects of marketing, whereas she was not doing so. So this looks like that she is following which concept? I am sure this question is all about stating which marketing concepts are being involved or what is their idea. Okay, which concept they follow. So they here I think Ginika is following societal marketing concept. Tanish told that they were under pressure to satisfy uh, consumers but stated that the consumer would not buy or not buy enough unless they were adequately convinced and motivated to do the same. That means this person is encouraging them to buy. That means he is promoting selling concept. Rohit stressed that the company cannot achieve its objective without understanding the needs of the customer. It was the duty of the businessman to keep consumer satisfaction in the mind because uh, he further stated that himself was taking consideration the need of the customers. Identify the various types of thinking guided by Ginika, Tanish and Rohit in the marketing efforts of their business. Let me just move ahead. Also state one more feature of various types of thinking identified that is not given in the para. So we have to identify one feature of all these uh, concepts. So I think this is a very easy thing. You all know how to do it. Let me just show you the answer. So these are the answers of this question. So children, with this question we are done with the content of this video, and I hope you all understood the content and you liked it. If you have actually liked my content, do not forget to like my video and share it with your friends. Hope you all have a good day ahead. Thank you very much.